Our story today is called Bear Snores On, and it's by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. And I see some other animals besides the bear. There's a badger, and a rat, and a bunny. Do you see some other animals too? Maybe a mole, and a beaver. Lots of animals. Let's see what they're all up to in this story. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long winter cold sleeps a great, big bear. Do you see him in his cave? Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Can you make a snoring sound? Shoo, shoo, just like the bear, the big sleeping bear in his cave. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. The mouse in his fire isn't even waking him up. He's so sleepy. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. A hare is another name for a rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Popcorn and tea, that sounds lovely, especially on a chilly winter day. Mouse sips wee slurps, and the hare burps big burps, burp. Does the bear wake up? No. The bear snores on. A badger scuttles by and snuffs at the air. "Oh, I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. Do you think the bear wakes up now? No, he doesn't. The bear snores on. Shoo, shoo. Oh man, nothing's gonna wake up this bear. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. Shoo! Shoo! In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look, they're all dancing and singing, and the bear's sleeping through all of it. Hare stokes the fire and Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Oh, and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. They're all running away. He's so scary and angry that he had to wake up. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and moans and wails and groans, and the bear blubbers on. He's crying. He's sad he missed all the fun. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep anymore. But his friends snore on. Shoo! Shoo! The end. I think that's so funny how the small little pepper flake woke up the bear and how they all fall asleep at the end except the bear.